Hey guys. Okay, I haven't filmed a YouTube video in so long, so I feel like real out of it. I'm like very, I don't know. Anyway, my eye makeup today is something that I'm doing over on TikTok. I'm like filming a little series over there at the moment where I'm doing like makeup inspired by characters. I feel like this is not focusing on me for some reason. Is it? Yeah, I feel like that's too close. I'm getting like so over my camera. Like I love my camera so much, but the fact that it doesn't focus drives me like insane. But anyway, I haven't filmed for a while, so I feel like I'm just all over the place. But today we're going to be filming the Plouise December budget box. So I feel like December sounds like so long ago, but it's because it was like sent out in January. But I didn't actually purchase this when it first came out as a budget box. I purchased it maybe like I think I purchased this in February and it's only just like arrived a little bit in like earlier this week, I think. So first week of April, because I purchased a mystery box and I also purchased another budget box in like this order, and the budget boxes don't ship out until the month after you order them. So I hope that makes sense. But anyway, this was the budget box from December, and it's the You Have a Piece of My Heart, which is so cute. So it comes in this little box. It looks like a pizza box, which I just think is one of the sweetest things ever. Like I love that. And this one is obviously meant to be like the collection is meant to be like a little pizza collection. So let's get into it. First thing that we have here are the half and half lashes. So we have top it off and add some spice. So it's the perfect duo for those babes who want the best of both worlds, which is so cute. So these are the lashes here. I feel like they look quite natural kind of thing. Like obviously this one is like kind of like a half lash, and then this one is like a very sparse, sparse, is that a word? Sparse? I don't know, but like this lash looks like, you know, there's like, it's quite natural. So yeah, I feel like they're quite cute. I don't know if I'll keep these or not, just in the sense of like, I don't know how much use I'll get out of lashes that are a little bit more natural. You know that I'm more into my big dramatic lashes. But anyway, that was the first thing that we got in here. The next thing that we got is called, it's a little brush trio. And it says cut, carve and create. Oh my god, I didn't realise that was magnetic. Cute. It says, babe, you're a cut above the rest, and it's in the shape of a little pizza cutter. How adorable is that? And then I didn't realise this, but it's like magnetic and like pops off, which is so cute. And then we have some brushes in here. So we have some really nice looking brushes. These are like for doing like cut creases and things like that. So this is how they look here. You can see that I've obviously got like a flat kind of like smaller brush, then a flat like a little bit bigger brush, and then this one's kind of like curved. So yeah, I'm really excited about those because I love a good cut crease. So yeah, I just feel like super cute that it's like, you know, like a pizza cutter but like a cut crease. I don't know, you know what I mean, but anyway, super cute. So yeah, I love that. And also I feel like I don't want to get rid of that packaging. Like I feel like I'm gonna have to keep that. Is that not so cute? Also in here we have the Source on the Side moisturizer, and it just says that it's a moisturizer. It doesn't really say anything else. So that's what it looks like. Super cute packaging. Let me open it up. So that's what it looks like. I love the packaging. I feel like it's really cute. I'll pump a little bit out. Oh, it feels real thick. I think it has a nice smell. Yeah, it does. It smells real nice. I don't know what it smells like, but I've smelled it before. Oh, back in the day, Too Faced used to have like this collection, and it was like, I think it was all like watermelon scented. It was called like it was like called like the GU foundation or something like that. And this is what this smells like, real nice. And this feels like a real like nice lightweight moisturizer. So yeah, I quite like that. This is once again the bottle. I don't know if I showed you up close, but I feel like the design is really, really cute. And it's called the Source on top. And then the last thing that we have in here is a palette. And this is called, says, babe, you're a slice of perfection, which is so cute. Obviously it's shaped like a little pizza. Let me open it up. And this is the palette. I just think the packaging, once again, is A1. You guys already know how I feel about Plouise, so And then these colours, they're like, it's quite a basic palette, but I don't care because it's really pretty. How cute! So yeah, obviously quite a basic palette. It's just like very kind of like mustardy shades, but I just think it's really sweet. There's this shade here kind of looks like, it's called Top of the World, but it looks like one of those like shades that we have in those little 5-pan palettes. It'd be interesting to know if it was like the same. And then it looks like we have a little highlighter down the bottom here. And that one's called All I Need, which is super cute. So yeah, such a cute little palette. So yeah, that is everything that we got in this little bundle. I will just quickly check how much it cost me. Also, sorry if I don't sound super interested. My like, because I've been sick and stuff. I don't know if I even mentioned that, but I have been sick recently. So I feel like I have so much like phlegm and stuff in my throat, which is so gross. But like talking is like an effort. So I feel like I'm just trying not to say too much. So this thing was called the Appease My Heart makeup box. And it was $60. So that's what I think the budget box normally is. So yeah, that was everything in that little bundle, which I feel like 4 products for $60 is really not that bad. We got 3 brushes, a palette, 2 pairs of lashes, and a moisturizer. So I feel like that's pretty good for $60. That's what, $15 each product. So not bad at all. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I have one more budget box video coming, and then I don't have any because I haven't really bought any, and like the new ones that are coming out kind of don't really interest me too much. So yeah, hopefully we have some more coming soon. Hopefully like next month's budget box is a little bit more exciting to me. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.